McDonald's, IKEA and EasyJet have all used this strategy to become some of the biggest brands in their industries. The strategy I'm talking about is economy pricing. At its core, economy pricing is offering products at a lower price than your competitors. The idea is to appeal to customers that are just looking for a bargain and are willing to sacrifice quality and certain features for a better price. Because economy pricing is about setting a low price, it also means that the profit margins are low as well, meaning that for this strategy to work, they must sell high volumes of products in order to make a profit. One company that successfully uses economy pricing is EasyJet. EasyJet is a budget airline that offers low-cost flights that are cheaper than most of its competitors. This strategy has worked for EasyJet because basically what they're selling is a flight that gets you from A to B with no added extras. It's literally just the flight and a little bit of carry-on luggage. Other than that, you get nothing with the price of the flight. However, where it makes its money is added extras. It charges customers for additional extras such as extra luggage, speedy boarding, in-flight meals and drinks, and extra legroom. So it can advertise these really cheap prices, which look really cheap compared to the competition, but in reality, they're charging for all the extras that the competition adds in as standard. So these really low prices attract customers to use an EasyJet flight, but then they're hoping that these customers buy the added extras, which in turn makes EasyJet more money. One of the obvious downsides of economy pricing is that it can be tough to maintain a profit when you're offering such low prices. Plus, if your competition then starts to lower their prices, it becomes a race to the bottom, as both companies try and compete on price, and this puts pressure on both companies' profitability and can often lead to neither making a profit. Economy pricing can also make it tough to build brand loyalty with customers, because if the customers are primarily focused on price, they'll be less likely to build a strong attachment to your brand, and customers will change companies depending on which one is cheaper at the time. And by cutting back on the service or the quality to keep costs low, you may be alienating customers that expect a certain level of service for their money. This makes it really tough to build a loyal customer base and a sustainable business over the long term. But when economy pricing is used effectively, it can really help shift the number of products in a short amount of time, meaning more customers and more revenue for the business.